Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have hit a small milestone of 500 plus subscribers. So to celebrate, I'm going to wash the Q50. It's been about 2 or 3 months and it's dirty. But before we begin, I'm going to have to take this lancer, move it to the street, take the Q50, move it out the way, put the lancer on the street, and just like that. So without further ado, all right, so now that that's done, let's get a quick walk around of how dirty this is. Like I'm telling y'all, it's been a while. Look how bad this is. Sheesh. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna mount the GoPro to my head and hurry up and do this while the sun's still out, cause it's going pretty fast. I have like my own power washer, vacuum, or whatever. I need to make sure I have soap before I even begin. So at this point of the video, if you want to continue watching, go ahead, but this will just be me washing the car bit by bit, piece by piece, until the finished product. Well, that's not good. So that concludes this video. She's all washed up. She looks 10 times better. If you like this, be sure to give it a like. Go ahead and subscribe. And let's get to this 1K.